Hello guys and welcome back to Team Guide Light English channel. So this right over here is the new Kia Sonet XT-X variant, which is very value for money and it is absolutely feature loaded. We get sunroof, host of safety features, along with that big size infotainment system, reverse parking camera and many more features are available over here. We also get full LED headlamp, full LED tail lamp. So guys, we are going to share a most detailed walk around review. So make sure if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button right away and click the bell icon also. And if you have any doubts, any question, you can head to our Instagram handle, which is Team Guide Light, and you can have a one-to-one conversation over there. So guys, this right here is the XT-X trim. And as you can see on the keys, we get hold function. That means we can start the car or stop the car right from the key itself if we long press this switch. So guys, right away talking about the technical specification comparison, you can see the dimension comparison on your display screen. Along with that, Kia Sonet has a boot space of 392 liters, ground clearance 205 mm, and turning rate is 5.1 meters. It has a tagline which says "Wild by Design," and it's a front-wheel drive vehicle. Also, Kia Sonet is being manufactured at Kia's Anantapur facility, and till now it has got 10,000 plus booking. Average monthly sale of rival compact SUVs you can check on your display screen. So guys, right away talking about these headlamp, we get full LED headlamp with LED daytime running lights. And guys, there are 4 elements over here. These 2 are for low beam and these 2 are for high beam, and they work extremely well. We also get follow me home and lead me to the vehicle function, as well as automatic headlamp function. And this is Kia signature tiger nose grille with chrome finish and piano black finish. Furthermore, there is projector fog lamp which provide excellent visibility. There is piano black finish here also and a chrome essence here also. And there is big size Puch skid plate. In front there are disc brakes, on rear we get drum brakes, and Kia Sonet has an excellent balance of ride and handling quality. Suspension is slightly tuned towards the stiff side and it offers very composed and planted ride quality on bumpy roads, as well as a very good high speed stability. And there is 3 years unlimited kilometers of warranty, 3 years of roadside assistance. Both you can extend up to 5 years. And guys, we get full body cladding over here. There is side body cladding, waistline molding, also wheel arches cladding, which offers a tall stance to this SUV. And this is the 16 inches steel wheel with wheel covers. They look like alloys, they are not alloy wheels. Basically, these are steel wheels, 5-spoke metallic silver color of 16 inches. And this is 215/60 profile tire, which offers superior grip. And there are wing mirrors with auto folding function. We get chrome door handles. Request sensor is available only on the driver side, not on the co-driver side. B-pillar is blacked out. We get sunroof, dual tone roof rails, a shark fin antenna, and rear quarter glass. There is styling on C-pillar as well. So attention to detail in Kia Sonet is class apart. And there are total 8 color options on offer in Kia Sonet, but in this trim we don't get clear white color. So basically there are 7 colors, which are steel silver, intense red, gravity grey, glacier white pearl, which you are watching right now, then aurora black pearl, which also look amazing, intelligence blue, and beige gold color. Furthermore guys, it is built on advanced K1 platform with high strength steel structure. And on the rear bumper we can see the rear diffuser, which also gets piano black finish, Fox tailpipe and skid plate, and it is looking very nice and very bold. There are twin reflectors, license plate lights are in halogen, and these are full LED tail lamp, which looks absolutely brilliant. Sonet badging, and these are basically reflectors over here. As you can see, high mount stop lamp is placed over here. These are not high mount stop lamp, they are just reflectors. This is high mount stop lamp. And we get rear defogger. There is no rear wiper in this trim. There is a camera over here. So let's open the tailgate right away. Also, there are 2 parking sensors in the rear. We don't get 4 parking sensors. And we get electromagnetic trunk opening. Along with that, there is a grab handle and an emergency exit. So we get unbelievable best in class 392 liters of cargo area. There is a grocery hook and a luggage lamp. And if we pull this one, so this is the spare tire, which is small size 15 inches 195/65 section tire, and this is basically a steel wheel along with toolkit. So let's remove this one and fold down the seats. So we can remove this quite easily, and we have to pull this from, and we have to pull this also. So that's the total cargo area of Kia Sonet. We don't get flat folding seats. Flat folding seats are available only in Nexon and Brezza. So let's shut this one. Also, there are quite sufficient safety features on offer, which are 2 airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensor, emergency stop signal, central locking, speed sensing auto door lock, impact sensing auto door unlock, engine immobilizer, front seatbelt reminder, front seatbelt pretensioner and load limiter, follow me home lamp function, automatic headlamp function, projector fog lamp, rear defogger, reverse parking camera with adaptive guidelines, driver rear view monitor, and ISOFIX child seat mounts. So there are 3 BS6 engine options in Kia Sonet, which are 1.2 liter naturally aspirated petrol engine with 5-speed manual, 1 liter turbo petrol engine with 6-speed IMT and 7-speed DCT. We don't get manual option in 1 liter petrol turbo, and then 1.5 liter diesel with 6-speed manual and automatic gearbox. But as you can see guys, HTX trim is available with 1 liter petrol IMT and 1.5 liter diesel manual. Sadly, there is no automatic on offer in this trim. So right away, let's open the hood and then we will talk about the engine options and the comparison. So there is cladding and complete sound deadening materials which is used on firewall, and there are very low NVH level. Engine is extremely refined, and you can see we get underbody engine guard, which is complete underbody engine protection kit. And over here you can see the engine option comparison. So first is 1 liter turbo GDI 3-cylinder petrol engine. It generates about 118 bhp of power and 172 Nm of torque. We have got 6-speed IMT and 7-speed DCT. IMT has a mileage of 18.2 kmpl and DCT has 18.3 kmpl, but this variant gets only IMT. And second is 1.2 liter naturally aspirated petrol engine. It is not offered in HTX model, but any which ways you can see the specification and comparison on your screen. And the last one is 1.5 liter CRDI 4-cylinder diesel engine, and there is different power in manual and automatic. So in 6-speed manual you get 99 bhp and 240 Nm of torque. In 6-speed automatic you get 113 bhp and 250 Nm of torque. Automatic will be slightly powerful, and manual has a mileage of 24.1 kmpl, which is best in class, and automatic has 19 kmpl. But again guys, HTX gets only manual, not automatic. So let's get in right away and check what all features are available. So first and foremost, these are the keys that we get with this trim, and these are the auto folding wing mirrors. There is smart keyless entry as well as engine push start button. Let's just place the keys over here. So guys, this is the black and beige dual tone interiors, which are extremely premium. We get piano black finish. Along with that, AC vents has satin aluminium finish or silver accents over here on central console also. So basically this dual tone cabin theme is extremely premium and looks extraordinary. Carpeting is in black color. We get beige color roof. There is one touch electric sunroof also. So this is one touch electric sunroof with anti-pinch. And guys, these are the fabric seat upholstery, again in dual tone pattern. The center has this fabric finish, and the fabric seats will maintain the temperature whether it is winter or it is summer. And on the sides you can see we get a premium leatherette or leather finish. Along with that, there is contrasting white stitching, which is looking super sporty. So overall, if you see the cabin is quite spacious and roomy as well. And we get height adjustment for the driver side seat. From here you can open the fuel lid. Also there is clutch footrest, and this is fuse box and OBD port. And we get engine push start button. There is piano black finish here as well, and this is headlamp leveler. The switch is illuminated. And guys, look at the cabin. It is looking extremely premium and luxurious. Dual tone finish is the best in Kia Sonet. And again we get dual tone color coordinated themed doors. So there are tweeters over here, then speakers, bottle holder, door pocket, as well as an umbrella holder. And this is cushioned leather finish along with contrasting white stitching. All 4 power windows are available with driver side power window auto down, and yes, it also gets auto up with pinch guard. And out of all these switches, only the driver side switch gets illumination. This is power door lock switch, and this is ORVM, which is electrically adjustable, foldable, and with auto folding function. Also, it has welcome function as well. So let's get inside right away. And if any of the door is open, we will get notification, and for the tailgate also. And if we open the hood, we will get notification for that also, which is also available in Venue and Seltos, but it is not available in Verna and Creta. So let's shut this door. And right away, this is the front armrest, which is fixed armrest. We get a lot of storage area over here. There is twin bottle holder space, and this is leather wrapped gear knob, which feels very nice to hold. And this is the rear camera with 2 guidelines. One is perspective guideline and second is actual guideline, and these are adaptive. So if we move the steering wheel, the guidelines will also move, and it helps a lot in parking. And over here we get some storage pocket, so you can place your smartphone like this. There is a 12-volt power socket, a USB port which is illuminated, a USB charger which is also illuminated, but there is no wireless charging. So the second smartphone or your wallet or knickknacks you can place over here. There are a lot of practical storage areas in the cabin. And guys, this is fully automatic climate control system, lowest temperature being 17 and highest being 27. It must be 27, same as Verna, Creta, Seltos and Venue. And AC is extremely efficient. So guys, this right here is the 8 inches touchscreen infotainment system with 4 speakers, 2 front waders and Archemy sound. And we can pair 2 smartphones simultaneously, and there are 4 modes also, which is natural mode, club mode, then lounge and live. So we get 4 Archemy sound mode. Best one is the club mode. And guys, this system also has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice command, Bluetooth, radio, USB connectivity, and we get wireless Apple CarPlay. And if you want to know how is the sound quality of the speakers, or if you want to check the wireless Apple CarPlay, you can head to our Hindi channel. We have explained everything over there. And this is driver rear view monitor, so you can turn it on at any speed, and from the rear camera, rear view will be displayed at any speed. So it works as a blind spot. You don't have to look over there, you can simply look over here. Along with that, you can plug USB and play videos, and we have just turned on the CarPlay, which is wireless Apple CarPlay. So guys, this is the Apple CarPlay. You can use Google Maps over here, you can read the messages, you can read the WhatsApp, Telegram, Zoom, you can play the music from Spotify, we can change the settings from here. So there are a ton of things that you can do. Along with that, guys, there is a glove box with some storage space, but there is no cooling function. And over here we get vanity mirror. There are 2 front cabin lamps with theater dimming function. Along with that, a sunglass holder. Fit and finish quality is really very nice. Everything feels so plush to hold. And this is day and night IRVM. And over here there is tall receipt holder. And guys, this is the steering wheel with Seltos badging. Furthermore, we get leather wrap unit which offers extremely good grip. And there is tilt adjustment. Also guys, when you will drive the car, this is the view that you will get. Full bumper is visible, and it has excellent visibility, big size wing mirrors, big size windscreen, and A-pillar doesn't hamper the visibility at all. On left side we get audio, Bluetooth and voice command controls. On right side we get cruise controls as well as MID screen controls. These are wiper controls. If we use the wiper, the exact mode will be shown over there. Same goes with the headlamp. Automatic headlamp, parking lamp and main lamp will be displayed over there. So guys, this is very dashing looking instrument cluster. On left side we get tachometer. It is up to 6000 RPM, which means it's a diesel motor. On right side we get temperature gauge and fuel gauge. Along with that, guys, we get digital speedometer. Moreover, it will show outside temperature, gear position indicator in automatic, gear shift indicator in manual, total kilometers driven, dual trip meter with engine running time, average fuel consumption, instant fuel consumption, distance to empty. And there are multiple settings, so we can change the light setting, illumination you can increase or decrease of the cabin. And you can also change the indicator setting, 3 flashes, 5 flashes. Along with that, headlamp delay, which is follow me home and lead me to the vehicle function, you can enable it or disable it. Then door setting, auto door lock, whether you want it on speed, you can enable that. And if you don't want that, you can disable also. So there are loads of things that you can do with this instrument cluster. And this is welcome function, which is auto folding wing mirrors. You can set it on unlock or on driver's approach, which means if you have the keys on your pocket in your vicinity and you approach the car, the wing mirrors will automatically open. And this is the display for light and wipers, which I have shown you. You can also disable that. Then IC road warning, along with that service interval, you can enable it. Furthermore, other features, so you can basically change the unit kilometers to miles and temperature Celsius to Fahrenheit. And this is the reset. So there are a lot of settings that you can do in this instrument cluster. So now let's get on to the rear seats and look at this infotainment system. It is looking super attractive. And guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button right away and click the bell icon also. And don't forget to like this video. And these are the rear doors, big size window area, child safety door locks, bottle holder, small size map pocket, speaker, premium leather pad with contrasting stitching, and inside door handle is in silver finish, non-illuminated power window controls. And these are the rear seats. And there is a rear armrest over here with twin cup holders. And along with that, guys, this is the rear seats. Two adjustable headrests are available. Behind the driver side seat there is no pocket, but behind co-driver side seat we do get 2 pockets. And rear AC vent, along with that USB charger which is illuminated, and a small pocket. Over here we get a grab handle. There is a cabin lamp in the center with theater dimming function. And there is a grab rail over here also, but it has also got coat hook. And boy oh boy guys, this is the front dashboard, which is looking extremely plush. So guys, what do you think about this variant? Do let us know in the comment section below. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon.